Shalom, shalom, Perek Bet, chapter 2 in Yehoshua. Go to your table of contents and find out how to get to Sefer Yehoshua, the book of Yehoshua. For homework, I'd like you to read chapter 2 of Sefer Yehoshua, the book of Yehoshua. Chapter 2 starts with Yehoshua bin Nun, Yehoshua the son of Nun, who is now taking over from Moshe, who was Eved Hashem, the servant of Hashem, as the new leader of the Jewish people, as we learned this today in class. So I wanted to know, now we have a whole story about spies being sent out. Number one, when you learned about the spies being sent out to go into Eretz Yisrael, into the land of Israel, how many spies were there? We'll take a look in chapter 2 and see how many spies there are this time. Last time, who sent the spies? Whose idea was it to send the spies? Check whose idea it was to send the spies this time. Now, where do these spies go? Check, remember what we learned about what you learned about several years ago when the spies went to spy out the land of Israel? Well, where did they go? What did they see? Now see where they went this chapter. I want you to compare the two spy stories. If you're not sure, you can definitely Google this and find it. It's in Sefer Bereshit, in the book of Bereshit. Okay, so and make sure that you review the whole of chapter 2, get to know the story pretty well, and finally, the person who helped the spies, was this somebody who should be considered a heroine or someone who should be considered as a traitor? Think about those questions, write down your answers to these three, along with the summary, and we'll see you tomorrow at school.